Great. Well, it's really my great pleasure to finally celebrate this. I have been waiting for this moment for at least 3 years, almost 3 years, since Yicheng and I, we sent off this manuscript. Was 2016 November, right? So great. Now here we are, celebrating this. Really, I do write a formal speech because I was really expecting this for a long time. Dear Mr. Skip Smith, John, Susan, Matthew, Ruth, dear colleagues and friends, thank you for coming to celebrate one of the milestones we have achieved on brain repair using NeuroD1 gene therapy to treat stroke. So let me start by thanking Skip Smith and your family for your generosity in supporting our work. This work, together with many others ongoing in my lab, would not be possible without your support. Thank you, sincerely. So this stroke repair work, this stroke repair work has lasted over the past 6 years. It's a long journey. I have learned a lot through this process. As a scientist myself, I came to realize how naive and how stubborn many scientists are, including myself. I'm probably one of them. So I will probably let Yicheng to tell you more about this tough journey of this work. But here, I would like to emphasize that science is to explore the unknown. One has to be open-minded and ready to accept all kinds of innovation, even though it might surpass the limitation of your imagination. As a country boy 40 years ago in China, if you were to tell me that you would someday own a piece of land in the United States, and you can have a cell phone to see your house around the world, I probably would tell you, you are really mad, get out of here. But now, 40 years later, this is a reality that I would have never imagined. So embrace innovations. The impossible can be possible. So today, I would like to stand here, announce a big, ambitious project to the world. That we have already launched a billion neuron project. So I believe this moonshot project will have enormous impact to the entire society on Earth. So once our stroke paper is published, it has quickly gained enormous news coverage around the globe. Not only many patients, but also some investors, even big pharmaceutical companies, start to contact me, ask me when you can start clinical trials. This is a real impact, and the impact that can touch everyone's life worldwide. The fact that NIH director featured our NeuroD1 gene therapy work instead of many Nature or Science or Cell articles is a testament that good work always shines. no matter where it is published. So ironically, I have to say it is the same NIH director who sent out an open letter to many US universities to unfairly target Chinese origin scholars like myself. So, as Sunny Xie put it, quote, diseases have no borders, neither should research, unquote. So we, the scientists, should not be limited by the borders when we work against the diseases, whether in US or in China or in Europe or anywhere in the world. We, the scientists, should work together to defeat our common enemies, the diseases. Human beings should not spend any time attacking each other. Thank you. Thank you, Skip. Thank you, your family. And thank you, everybody.